Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Programming. Today I've got a question for you guys in Python. So today our project is to build a real life coffee machine. And I also have set some requirements for our project. Firstly, user will get a prompt about what would they like to drink, like espresso, latte, or cappuccino. And the machine will check the user's input and decide what to do next. The prompt will show every time the action has been completed. Like once a drink is dispensed or like given to some other customer, the prompt will come again to serve the next customer. Okay. And secondly, turning the machine off when the user enters off in the input. Okay. And then when the user enters report, it will print a report of all the resources present in the machine currently, like water, milk, coffee, and money. And also, it will check if the resources are sufficient. Like if latte requires 200 ml or 300 ml of water, but there is only like 100 ml of water left in the machine, then it will print an error message like, sorry, there's not enough water. And the same will happen if another resource is depleted, like milk, coffee. Okay. And fifthly, it has a coin system, meaning every type of coin is accepted, like quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. And it will calculate the value of all the coins and then print it in dollars. And will check if the transaction is successful. If the money is less than that, it will refund the money and say that the money is not enough. And if the money is like equal to the cost, then the user will successfully receive their respected coffees. And if the money is more than the cost of the coffee, the user will also get the change. Okay, and also like this is the report before purchasing a latte, and this is after purchasing a latte. So I hope you guys notice the difference in the resources. See, like here money is zero, but here it has increased. Okay, so let's start with the code. Firstly, I'm gonna create a input input choice. Okay, then if choice dot lower is equal to off, then it will just print goodbye, see you soon, or see you next time. So I've used choice dot lower here. So like if the user enter something like this or this or just or, or just off in capitals, so it will accept all type of text written here. Okay, and then after that, let's go elif choice dot lower is equal to express. So for now I'll just pass it. Okay, elif latte pass, elif cappuccino pass. Okay, now I want to create a dictionary for each of the uh, coffees, which will store their materials. Okay, and the cost for espresso. Water is 100. Wait, why is it showing a yeah, yeah. Water is 100. Water 100. So the espresso will require 100 ml of water. Milk milk will be actually 50. And lastly, coffee will be, let's just say, like 35. Yeah. And money, its price will be 2.0, $2. Okay. That's for espresso. And similarly, let's create one for latte and then cappuccino. Eh, Wait, let me add this code snippet here. Yeah, latte, latte, 2.5. Coffee will be 25. Milk 100. Water 200. Then cappuccino, water 150. Milk 100. And coffee will be 30. And money 1.5. Okay, let me just reformat the file. Yes, I think we are pretty solid in creating the dictionaries for our coffees. So now let's head on to the next step, which will be report. So pass. Let me just make a function of make coffee, coffee. Okay. Then quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. So coffee, uh, so now I first have to check if the resources are sufficient in the machine. Okay, so I will just write in the dictionary machine resources is equal to water. I will start with 500 milk, 500 coffee, also 500 grams, and money will actually be zero. So coffee, if coffee, water is more than machine resources, water, or or coffee, milk, it's called machine resources milk, or coffee, or coffee is more than machine resources coffee. Okay, then it will print sorry, machine doesn't have enough resources to prepare your coffee. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so why is it showing this error? Yeah, yeah. Wait, why? Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay, L what? I'll create another variable. Yeah, just total cost is equal to, yeah, 1 minute. Total quarters, quarter val is equal to quarters multiplied by 0.25. Times val is equal to 0.10, nickels val, pennies val. Okay, so now total cost is equal to quarter val plus times val plus nickels val plus pennies val. Okay, now if total cost is more than coffee money, change is equal to total cost minus coffee money. And friend, here is your coffee and your change of dollar change. Uh, F string dollar change dot, yeah, of dollar change. Okay, now Ellis total cost is less than coffee money, then print. What was the error message? Yeah, sorry, that's not enough money, and the money has been refunded. Copy text. Okay. L L print, enjoy your coffee. And here also, like, let me add coffee. Okay. Now let me test this real quick. Make coffee, make coffee. Sorry. Or just ls choice dot lower is equal to espresso. No, no, no. Oh, sorry. Report. And I will for item in m- machine resources, print item, machine resource item. Yes, let me ask for report. Yeah, yeah, it's pretty solid. Now, now else make coffee, else, else make coffee choice. Okay, what do you like? Latte? No. Oh, yeah, so sorry, sorry. Yeah, yeah, 1 minute. I should put input here for like, you know, to ask for quarters, times, nickels, and pennies. Else, let me just quarters is equal to input. How many quarters would you like? Okay. Dimes, nickels, pennies. Yeah, yeah. So now latte. Now what's this error? Must be, it's in line 32. Line 32 is coffee. Water is more than machine resources. Wait, how is it string? Uh, make coffee. Voice. Okay, integer. Saying it should be integer. Mm, 9:32. Coffee, water, or machine? Resources, water or coffee? Water. Um, no, no, yeah. It was a very basic fundamental mistake on my part. Hmm. Espresso. Yeah, so it's showing some problem in 9:32 of make coffee function. Okay, coffee water. Mm, coffee. Latte. That's type here. Okay. So what was the cost of latte? 2.5. So, 8 quarters. Wait, nickels were 0.05. Okay. 0, mm, 10, 0. Enjoy. What? Uh, enjoy your. Oh, sorry. Yeah, yeah. Enjoy your choice. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Latte. Uh, 8, 0, 10, 0. Oh, yes. Hmm, yeah, yeah. Here also. Sorry, my bad. Choice. Let's try again. Latte. 8 quarters, 0 dimes, 10 nickels, 0 pennies. Enjoy your latte. Yes, that's pretty good. So now I think I got the problem. Elif choice dot lower is equal to latte. Okay, let me copy this. Espresso, espresso, and finally cappuccino. And here also cappuccino. Yeah, okay. Now let's try again. What should I? La. No wait. Espresso. What was the price of espresso? So it's $2. I will take 12.0. So it should give me a change of $1. Okay, 0% change of $1. See, I think the code's working pretty fine, but we still have to deal with one problem, that is it should reduce the resources of the machine when it makes a coffee for a user. Okay, and that fits in right here. If total cost of, yeah, def reduce resources. Coffee. mm, okay. So machine resources, water minus equal to similarly machine resources, milk, milk and coffee. Mm, and machine resources, money, money should plus equal to coffee money. Okay. Since we are like adding the coffee's money to the machine resources money, so instead of reduce resources, I think modify resources would be better. Okay. Now, uh, modify resources coffee. Okay. And here also modify resources coffee. And let me add this in a function too. There, function coffee machine. Yeah. Wait. What? Okay. Now, while choice dot lower is not equal to of coffee machine, cappuccino, latte, 8 quarters. No, yeah, yeah, sorry. Latte, 8 quarters, 0, 10, 0. Enjoy. Wait, why? No, wait. You should ask. Yeah, wait. You know what? Like, I should again put the choice right here. Choice, wait, choice is equal to input. Yeah, it's okay. Let's run it again. Latte, 8, 0, 10, 0. Oh, we, coffee. Well, let me fix this problem real quick. Uh, so like instead of asking for quarters, times, nickels, and pennies, it's instead showing us the choice input again and again. So let me just modify my code set right here. Uh, should I like or if instead of or, uh, no. Wait, while choice not is equal to off. 1 minute. And then after that, join. No, wait. I want to run the game. Yeah. How many photos? Aim 0, 10, 0. Enjoy your latte. Now again, latte 8, 0, 10, 10. Okay, now that's like some problem. But you know what? I will like leave you guys to solve that problem on your own. I'm gonna bring a report and now latte. Yeah, see, so I think our code's working pretty fine right here, and I hope you guys have learned a lot from making this project. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.